Some of the common diesel generator problems will include high generator temperature, low oil pressure, faulty fuel pump, faulty injector pump, fuel filter blockage, faulty kickstarter, faulty automatic voltage regulator, which is the AVR, faulty charging alternator, bad oil seal, and faulty release. High temperature could result to lots of damage and stop a diesel generator from running. Heat from a diesel generator is emitted through 3 channels: radiator, which is the heat exchanger, engine surface, and lastly, engine exhaust pipe. %30 of the heat is dissipated through the radiator. And 23% is released from the combustion chamber through the exhaust pipe. 40% of the heat is supplied to crankshaft, that is horsepower. Since 23% of the heat is generated in the engine goes out through the exhaust, it is important that the engine exhaust is not blocked. The exhaust pipe, by design, has a sieve which prevents entrance of unwanted elements like rodents and other objects from entering the engine when the generator is not at work. The carbon generated from the exhaust stroke is made to pass through the sieve. The sieve could get blocked if the exhaust is not regularly checked and will cause excess heat in the engine system. If this fault is not addressed on time, it can result in high engine oil consumption. For example, periodic inspection on the engine radiator is to ensure there is no leakage. Periodic removal of excess carbon that is trapped in the exhaust. Constant flushing to remove unwanted dust covering the radiator surfaces. And lastly, water treatment to be ensured all the time. Thermostat should be checked and replaced if the thermostat is clogged.